Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm always trying to find you guys the best deals possible on tools. And today we found doing a very extremely filtered search here. I was trying to narrow down some clearance items and highly reduced items here at Home Depot. So we're going to start through this short list here and just show you some of the highlights of them. And, just as a disclosure, we'll put the links for you down below in the video description. But just as a disclosure, we're required to tell you that if you buy any tools through any of the links that we provide for you, like to Amazon or Home Depot or anything like that, those are affiliate links for which we'll earn a small commission. And so we appreciate you folks supporting our channel that way. And then we hope that if you do buy any tools, that you'll use our links below there to do that. So thanks again for that. And then let's take a look at this first deal. I like this skill digital level here. Now, if you guys have never seen one of these, there's a couple of things that are really cool about this. So it gives you a digital reading of the exact angle you're at there. And also, it's got the blue liquid instead of the yellow. And I think the blue liquid is a lot easier to see, especially in a dark situation, than the yellow liquids are. And it's a backlit screen, and of course you have a ruler measurements on there. And so this one is 22% off. They've got it down to $45.17. I have never seen these in the store, and it looks to me here like it's not available at the store. All you can do is either have it shipped to the store for you to go pick up, or shipped to your home for free. But anyway, yeah, this is a kind of a cool little tool here. Let's go back up and see what else we got. So what I'm basically looking for is the ones that have there's some of these are up to 75% off. Some of these deals that we're going to show you here today are up to 75% off. So for example, here is a DeWalt, and this is a brushless tool. This is their cordless cable stripper. Okay, so this is 75% off. Look at this, all the way down to $42 here. So if you know anybody who's a cable installer or somebody who's looking for tools like this, man, this is a great deal. Okay, let's see if anything else here is interesting enough to us. So look at this. We should have put this on our Makita video the other night too, because look at this. You have here, this is Makita's small 2-gallon vacuum, and this one competes directly with the Milwaukee M18 vac that you've seen us do a review on about a year ago. And this one is also 75% off. Look at this price here, all the way down to $169. But it's pretty hard to imagine that this thing was even $500 to begin with. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. So look at this. You've got a couple of DeWalt grinders, and this one here is down 75% also, all the way down to $50. So this is a corded 13 amp 6-inch grinder. And let's go and see what the other one is. Got this one right here. This is the 4.5 inch, a little bit smaller one, and this is down to $36 for a corded grinder. This would be good for something to keep in your workshop. I can't, I'm pretty much done with using corded tools right now. When I'm going mobile and I want to work with battery tools only. But this is some people still prefer to use the corded, and then this would be good to have in your garage or workshop. That looks like the same one there, I think. I was surprised there was this many Makita deals. Okay, and then we have this bandsaw from Bosch. And look how these first 4 deals here, they're out of stock right now, which is kind of a shame. Because look, they were down to 75% off. All of these were. These would have been nice deals to show. Here is DeWalt's ratcheting combination wrench set. And this is a 4-piece set here. And you can see that it's down also 75%, down to $15. But they are sold out. See right here it says sold out of stock. So they may or may not get more in. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But you could certainly enter your email here and be notified when it's back in stock. Okay, now they have other dual tools here. I see that one still. Look at this. They had the Milwaukee Red Stick here, the 24-inch, but this box level is sold out. Let's see if they have it in other sizes. Is there any of the 48s left? Yeah, so they have one on the 48-inch here, but you can see this one it's $89. It's $40 off, so you're getting 31% discount. Let me see if they have any other sizes and if they are on sale. Yeah, so look at this. So they've got also the 59-inch which is $99, and that's $60 off. They got a 6-footer, that's $119, and that's 37% off. All right, let's go back up to our list of tools and see what we've got. All right, so here you basically have just a couple of other hand tools, lineman pliers. The gear wrench, however, see, that's sold out. Oh, bummer. So here's the one that was down to $21 for an 8-piece set. This is the same set that I tried to get at, I think it was at Discount Auto Parts back in May, but they very quickly sold out there, and I couldn't get them there. Yeah, so you can peruse through, and they have some other kits here. The Tecton kit. This one's 75% off. The 1/4-inch drive. It's a 51 piece, so that's actually a pretty good price. Let's take a look at this one. That's a really good price for 51 pieces. It's a small kit. It's a 1/4-inch drive. This is not for really professional use. You could use it, but most of the pros are using 3/8 and 1/2-inch sockets if they're doing stuff on cars, for example. Hey, but for your home, this is a great kit to have lying around. And look at that, 75% off. Okay, now coming back to our videos tab, I just wanted to show you some of the latest videos that we've uploaded the last few days. This one is going to be premiering tonight. This is December 4th at 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So be sure to tune into this one. This is all of those closeout Cobalt Mechanics tool sets at Lowe's right now. Some of them are 50% off, 55% off too. So make sure you check that out. And we're actually showing you inside the sets of what they look like. And then, of course, last night we uploaded this video here about the best Makita tool deals at Home Depot. So we give you direct links in there to all of the best of the Makita only tool deals, the buy one get ones, the rebates, the special $100 off kits. That was a really good one to see. And then this one right here we did the other night. This was our Home Depot walkthrough where we showed you some of the miter saw and table saw deals that have come in since Black Friday, because some of the Black Friday promotions are going away on December 2nd. So that's come and gone now, and they're bringing in some of these new miter saw deals. We also showed you this Lowe's video here where we showed you some of the tools that we're buying for the next giveaway. And of course, every once in a while we'll show you some special buys of the day if there's something we think is worthwhile over here. And you got to see our Black Friday haul video that we did last week. It shows an entire tool mountain of all of the tools we gave away there. And we have another one coming up on Monday, another live stream. So if you're not subscribed, you want to make sure you are so that you'll be alerted to that. This was the video we wanted you to look at here, the Black Friday haul. We put this up last week over here. And that shows every tool that we have bought in the past month from the Black Friday ads. Every tool you see there was either a buy one get one, or it was severely discounted, or we at least used the Lowe's 10% off coupon on it at Home Depot to get a lower price. Yeah, so just make sure you come back and binge watch some of these other videos that we've uploaded recently. Also, if you go back to the homepage of our channel, you'll see videos in different categories here. You'll see all of our remodeling videos. There's all your bathroom remodelings, your kitchen remodeling videos, all sorts of tips in different areas of construction and engineering failures, electrical. We do closet, plumbing, flooring, tiles, everything. Yeah, so make sure you come back and check out all of these as well. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful so far, and if you have, hey, would you do us a favor? Give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, all I can say is, man, why haven't you? You see here on our videos tab here, all of the different videos we have for you in different categories. You know, we cover all sorts of tool reviews where we do exhaustive drop testing of our items under test here to give you the best tool reviews out there. And we also give you all sorts of remodeling in your homes and your bathrooms and all of your kitchen remodeling and all sorts of tiling projects and flooring projects. And we show you how to get out of some really bad engineering disasters. And we have all sorts of construction tips for you as well. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below there. And when you do that, click the little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you every time we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this week, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next one.